Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on how to build Evan / Chris / Dave or / Crying Child. Whichever one you prefer, I prefer Dave because it sounds, for me personally, correct. So I'll be teaching you how to do everything on his body, from his shoes all the way to the dollop that pokes into his skull. In the last one that I did, I had forgotten the types of blocks I used for William over there with his solar civil eyes. So I'll be showing you the blocks that I will be using today. And maybe the blocks I use for him, but I'll do that some other time. Black concrete for his soulless child eyes. Blue for the tear marks that dollop down his face. Gray concrete for his shoes and his short color. Light gray for, well, his stripies on his short. Blue concrete for his short jeans. Gray terracotta for his hair and dollop that goes into his skull. And white terracotta for the color of his skin. So we'll start with gray concrete for his shoes. We'll go 6 by 6 blocks wide, like that. Then we do a 2-block gap. So we go 6 again, like this. We go up by 3. Well, really 2, but you know what I mean. Then we do this. Now, we'll move on to his legs that poke under his jeans. I think we go up by 2, like this, leaving 1 block gap in between his shoes. We move on to his jeans. We do the same, leaving 1 block on both sides. We go up by 2 here, like this. Then we go up 5 over here. Like that, and then we fill it in. And then we go in through the hip and add a little corner here. We go up by 2. Really 1, but who am I to argue? We go in and fill it like that, and then we will cut this corner here. You'll see why later. We will start to fill in his short. Leave this block empty. We go up like that, still leaving this block empty. And then go up here, fill that in now. Then we do his stripies that I mentioned earlier in the video. We will see. Oh, and I forgot to mention, make sure these are each 3 blocks high. Then we go up, make sure the stripies are 2 blocks high. We put a 1 gap block between the stripies. We go up like this, doing 2 as well here. It should look like that by now. At least I think I'm measuring it correctly. Because, you know, in the last one, well, I kind of forgot that my calculator is a little haywire sometimes. Now, I believe we do maybe possibly one block there. We'll do 2 there. We do the same with the other arm over here. Even 2 here. Make sure it's 1 block high on both sides. Then we go up by 1 over here as well. Make sure they're both symmetrical. Let's see. Now we'll move on to his arms and hands. We'll do his right, because a little longer than his left. We'll do it by 3. Go down by 8. Well, this is where I went wrong last time. Let's see. Like this. I did it again. I believe that is correct, hopefully. But anyways, we'll make sure his hand. Zoops. We'll do it like this. We'll fill it in. Make sure it's 3 blocks high. Now we'll fill in his skinnier arm. It should look like that. And then with the other arm, the shorter one, maybe the more realistic sizing one, depending on how you believe it should be like. Now we'll go down by 7. Not again. Then we go on 4 blocks here, but 5 if you're counting that extra block. There we go up by 3, just like the other arm. We fill in his hand, and then we fill this in. It looks like he's doing a fist. Both arms. Hands. Now, I believe we go on to his neck. 4 blocks all the way to his neck. Like this. Making it his neck 3 blocks wide. I think maybe similar to his father. Now we will go up by 5 blocks all the way to his cheek with both sides. Like that. And we'll do the same like this, leaving his cheek empty. We'll do the same with his other cheek, and we'll go up by 6. Like this. Then we do the same with his other side of his face. Make sure you don't leave any other blocks hanging, otherwise you might give him a dimple. Now, if you want, you can fill this in already, but I think for now, I'm going to leave it empty. We'll move on to his hair. Make sure it's 4 blocks here. Oh, wait, nope, like this. We'll go to the other side and do the same. Like that. Then we go up 1 block, and then fill this in. If you want me to say the measurements, I will. 11 blocks here. 4 up. And then we'll do the same on this other side. We go by 2. And go up by 2 here too. Did I? Yeah, I think it's still full. We go up, go 2 here. Oh, like that. We go 3 here. Go up by 1 with both sides. And we go by 8, I believe. And we fill this in. Want to make sure he doesn't have an empty skull like his father. Even if he dreams about monsters roaming the halls, trying to get him in his bedroom. Now, if you want, we can do the dollop. But I think it would be easier if we waited until we do the eyes. Now, we'll go like this. His eyes are 4 by 4, but really, I think it's like that. Make sure it's 4. You can use a block and put it somewhere there to make sure it's not equal. And now we do the tear box right there. Then we'll use the T-marks again. Make sure it's 4 here as well. And we go up by 3. There's his cute little face. Now we fill him in. So he doesn't have an empty head like his father, as I said, with his hair. He probably has a soft skull if his hair can pierce it. Now we'll go right here. Make sure they're 1 block each. And there's Evan / Chris / Dave / Crying Child in his full glory. And just like his father, we can view him at both sides, and he will look at you non-stop. Isn't that lovely? And I hoped this helped you. If you wanted to do him, of course, or you just wanted to listen in. I don't mind either way. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.